Here comes Faggy McAirplane. He flies slow overlapping circles over your neighborhood day and night so that you get mental problems and failing glands and brain cancer. There's usually a murder of crows that follows the plane around, but it also follows the jet. But he's got to fly right over to make sure you get microwaves real good. Your tax dollars are paying for it. Support the troops. New number 2, Faggy. Fuck you, motherfucker. Every 2 minutes, all day and all night, every day and every night. I'm just a happy guy in a little plane, and I can't stop flying. I love to fly so much. I got an unlimited gas card and a giant bag of mess. I'm going to fly in circles continuously. I'm going for the record. How many times can I fly over your house in one day? At least 1,000. Here I come again. Woo! Oh, he turned over there. He's flying figure eights. He's a hero. And here come the jetliners. Because they go in groups, you know. I got a twin turboprop. It says Horizon in the back. Actually, it probably says Alaska. And this is the shuttle flight. Yeah, it's the perfectly normal Alaska shuttle flight that flies banking figure eight curves over your city all day and all night. It's perfectly normal. Absolutely perfectly normal. Not to see here, but the perfectly normal twin turboprop that flies around over your home.